Yo, what's up YouTube? Here we are with another unboxing video of Triumph. These are 60-gram canister shells by Red Apple Fireworks. And what we're going to do first here is take a look at the box, because it's a nice looking box. It's holographic, so it's like a foil, shiny kind of looking box, and it really stands out. Just pretty cool looking, I guess you could say. So this has 24 assorted effects. This right here comes with a little cool scanner thing, so if you have your phone can scan that, give you an effect video. Alright, so that's the front of the box. Turn it over to the side. Now look at the back real quick. It says 24 classic firework effects. I'm going to scroll down through these. You guys can pause the video to see what the effects are. Designed in the USA. Alright, well that's it of the outside of the box. Now let me go ahead and open them up. Alright, so now that I've got them taken out of the box, let's go ahead and take another quick look at the shells. So again, we have 24 canister shells in each box, and they come with 4 fiberglass tubes. And here's the tube. Of course, it's fiberglass, glued down to a wooden base. And what I like about these, or the Triumph shells, is that the shells are labeled with the effect. This one here says Silver Strobing Willow. And feels like a typical 60-gram canister shell. You put it down here and grab a Shells of Vengeance for comparison. Again, everyone knows this is an Excalibur rewrap. So we see it looks like it's about the same size. The weight feels about the same as well. So I guess that's pretty much it. The only thing left to do is to demo these off. And I will be shooting 6 of these, alright guys? So that's my unboxing of these Triumph 60-gram canister shells by Red Apple Fireworks. It's 24 assorted effects, classic effects. So classic means it would be like, these are pretty much all like brocades, coconuts, there's some, multicolored crackles in there. Just basically classic effects again. But that's what I like. So I'm going to demo off 6 of them for you guys. Hopefully it turns out real cool. And that's it, my unboxing. Triumph canister shells, Red Apple. There it is.